Welcome to How to Day Trade. It is Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025, and the market's going to open here in 6 minutes. So I am going to be back, and I will take this trade today that I'm going to take. I'm going to take it on the YM. It has 94% success rate for 50 ticks. So that's what I'm going to go for, 50 ticks. And probably will go more than that, but I'll just go for the 50 and keep the math really high at 94%. I'll be back. Okay, market's going to open up in 10 seconds. All right, here we go. What's it going to do? Waiting for a signal. What's it going to do here? Waiting for a signal. Looking for a signal. Everything just took off, and I just got in just a minute ago. I have no idea what's going on, and I just set the order on the NQ. Let's go take a look at the NQ. I have no idea what's going on. My system just told me to go long, and it just shot up for some reason. 10:54. I'm gonna go look for some news. There was no news on the calendar. I have no idea what is going on. Some trade deal. Okay, Dow pops more than 200 points after Trump announces Japan trade deal. Okay. Alright, well, my system had told me to take a long entry, and I had just gotten back. I had to walk away from the computer for a bit, and I just got back just a few minutes ago, and then I got into the took an entry onto the YM, and then put the order in for the NQ, and then all of a sudden, right after I did that, it just shot up and went up and kept on going on the YM, and then got me in on the NQ, and now it's just continuing to go up. So this is kind of an easy day, but unanticipated. I didn't anticipate that to happen. I had missed the original 94% trade this morning because I needed to go, and I came back. I was just taking a normal everyday day trading math that I have. It's about 90%. They're all about 90%. Except for you get further and further in the day, the math goes down. But at first, the math is really high. So I had just come back, and I was taking basically the last one that has really high math at 90%. I just took the last one, and all of a sudden it just popped. But I, of course, didn't know that any news was going to come out. I was just using my my day trading system. Anyway, I am looking for the NQ here to go ahead and follow through and hit the $50, which is 200 ticks. why I just accidentally switched over to the YM. Just switched back to the NQ again. But the YM took off, obviously, and I just was going for 50 ticks there, so it got me out. Anyway, looking for the NQ to do the same. Let me just take a quick look at it here. Alright, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to manage this trade a little bit, but I suspect it's just pulling back and it's going to continue to go. But I'll be right back. I just want to check something. Yeah, I think it's just going to continue to go here. YM is doing the same. YM is continuing to move up. So they like to move in tandem with each other a lot. And the NQ should also go. But my system already said that it was going to do $50 from my entry point. So with about 90% math. So you should make it, regardless of what the news was. But as it turns out, the news is good for my position. I want to go, I'm long, and so the news is good for a long position. I got out way too early on the YM. It's shooting up. We'll go take a look at it. Yeah, there it is. I got it 022, 45.022, so right about here I got out. And obviously it's gone a lot higher. Another 100 ticks there. So still just waiting on the NQ to make its move. And it should do, because my math says that it will. Plus we got the news out, everything. So it should make its move. It's just a matter of time, and it'll go up there. Okay, I just want to show here that the trade has been completed. I got out. I'm up 268,700, and this is the trade right here. It went off at a limit order 23,314, and it got filled at 23,314, and it's at 23,405 right now. So it got filled right about here when it went up, or actually here, 314 right there. So it got me out right there, and it went down, came back up, and went even higher. So the trade got me out as expected. 90. That one had a 90% accuracy on it. All trades in general have about 90%, but I have some of them that are higher, 92, 94, 95%. So, but even 90% is really super high. And again, all of these trades are all based upon math, back testing and forward testing of the charts. That's why this works so well. This is what everybody is missing in their day trading of the markets, or their trading of the markets in general, because they don't use mathematics. You have to use math or you'll lose. You're just taking a guess on which direction it's going to go, and you're going to guess wrong too often, and you're just going to lose. That's why most all people lose at day trading or trading in general, because they don't play the math. You have to know the math, and then you have to play the math. And that's what I'm showing here, is that if you play the math, you will win over and over and over again. It's all, the secret is about the math. You have to know, backtest which direction it's going to go, mathematically speaking. Not which direction it's going to go, what you think, or which direction it should go. It often goes in the wrong direction all the time. What you think it would do, what it would be logical for it to do. So you can't play that way. You'll just lose. You have to play with math. And this is what everybody out there is missing. You go to info, you ask AI, anybody out there, they all miss it. Why? Why do they all miss it? Well, I don't know. I don't know why they're all missing it. That's why I'm here to teach the right way on how to trade. The right way on how to day trade. By playing mathematics. So anyway, the trade was successful, and I will be back to do more trading. More day trading. It is, for me, it is Thursday right now. This represents Thursday. But in the States, it's still 10 at night time. It's 10 o'clock at night, 10:10 at night, Chicago time. And I am exactly 12 hours difference. That's why it reads 10 o'clock in the morning, because it's 10 o'clock in the morning for me. But it's 10 o'clock at night in Chicago. So it's a 12-hour difference between me and Chicago time. That's why you didn't see me show the outcome of the trade, because I was sleeping. I was sleeping. At this time right here is like 3 o'clock in the morning for me. So I was already sleeping. And in fact, I already went to bed at this time. It's 1:30 in the morning for me. And so I'd already gone to sleep. And of course, the trade was successful because it has a 90% chance to win. That's 9 times out of 10. If you just play the math, this is what will happen. You'll see your account just go up and up and up. But if you don't play math, then what's happening is you're taking low math trades and you don't realize it. You're not realizing that they're low math trades. If you actually were to figure them out on paper, you'd see that they were low math trades, and you realize instantly, oh, well, that's why I'm losing, because I'm losing 7 times out of 10 or 6 times out of 10. There's no way that you could be successful when you're doing that. Sure, you can win here and there, but that's not enough. You need to win over and over and over again. Have the right mathematics behind you. That's what this is about. That's what I'm about. That's what my system is about having the right mathematics. If you want to day trade and you want to be successful, then you absolutely, positively must have my math, or you most likely are going to lose like everybody else. 95% of everybody loses because they simply don't trade with mathematics. They don't know any better. And nobody is out there telling them that that's what they should be doing, is trading with math. So that's why most everyone loses. If you don't want to lose at day trading, come to me, purchase my course. You will be a winner. 100% guaranteed that you will be a winner. Unless you don't have any idea what you're doing and you make one mistake after another. But as long as you don't do that, you will be a winner just like I am. You see me winning every trade. You see my account just going up and up and up, right? Well, yours could do the same. Don't listen to other people talk about day trading. You can't day trade. Nobody can day trade. All this different stuff. It's crazy. Of course you can. It's like people are trying to make other people into slaves, having to work every day, having to, get a paycheck and be poor. It's like a group thing, group think, where everybody just wants to be poor and then complain about it. Yeah, I don't, that's strange. It's a strange behavior. Anyway, I have to focus on what I have to focus on. I'm here to teach people, give inspiration and teach people that you can do this. You absolutely, positively can do this. If you think you can, then you can. If you think you can't, well, you probably can't then. Anyway, I am here to teach how to day trade if you are interested in learning. I will be back, tomorrow, but today for me, Thursday, to do some more day trading. Today, Thursday should be a good day, and should be able to hit some good trades again on Thursday. Every day I have good math, but Thursday is good, is always good, every day. So I'll be back later today and take another day trade. See you then.